Hi there, it's Kurt with Kurt Tanner Motor Cars. Today we have on offer this 1971 MGB Roadster. It's finished in glacier white with black interior, black top and top boot, 4-speed, wire wheels, chrome luggage rack. We just recently purchased this car from the state of New Mexico. We believe it grew up there. It was delivered there new. There's a, coming around the back here, I'll show you. There's a badge on the trunk lid showing the original selling dealer in Farmington, New Mexico, Basin Motors. So we believe it's a totally original New Mexico delivery, finished in real nice colors here. We purchased this car from, I believe it was a high school teacher. He had his shop class do a lot of projects on this, so it's a fully restored MGB, rebuilt engine, new paint, all new interior, excellent chrome, a mix of new and original chrome all the way around, brand new windshield. You can see his notes there in the ad. We lifted his notes and included them in the text here. But really lovely car overall, totally honest, straight, rust-free. If you look at the undercarriage, it's got some of that wonderful New Mexico desert dust all over it, which is you know, good sign it's been preserved in the desert there. So runs and drives great, really no issues with it, and just a super nicely done, honest, original 71 MGB Roadster and actually, you know, crisp colors, especially with this black piping on these these seat kits. They're actually vinyl seat kits. But yeah, let's take a look at the car's interior. So the car received a new panel kit. This is the original dashboard. It's absolutely superb. It's not a dash cap. It's in excellent condition. Carpets have been renewed. Seat kits have been renewed. Top boot is the original. It's excellent. It has a new top fitted on this car, or actually a newer top, in great shape. You can see there it's fitted with the original British radio still, the original factory one, original steering wheel. Very nice interior, new sun visors. So fully restored on the inside. It has this decal kit. We noticed there is a little bit of the sticky coming undone here, so it's got a little kind of a rub through there, but from Moss Motors you can buy these replacement kits and stitch in a part there to that original factory decal. I like these cars when they come in with these original factory style mirrors. To me it seems like it's been in the hands of some really good, caring owners. But yeah, let's look at the car's engine compartment. You'll be equally impressed here. It has a rebuilt engine, and this car drives well. It's been really nicely restored mechanically. So in here, it looks like it has a new harness. Engine's been rebuilt completely. Just excellent mechanical condition throughout. Nice underpads under the hood. They've even gone to the trouble of you know, putting the air cleaner decals in on those original SU carbs. But lots and lots of new parts. Nicely restored car. Let's take a walk around the trunk and I'll show you what the trunk's got going on here. So they've dressed up the trunk with a carpet kit. There's actually lots of nice tune-up spares. But a very nice carpet kit, attached all the way around. Very nice new original spare tire on a restored wire wheel that matches the rest. There's a jack, there's a handle, there's a bunch of extras there for you. But yeah, on a general walk around on this car, really crisp appearing, nice driving, fully restored 1971 MGB chrome bumpered Roadster in excellent overall condition. And there it is, glacier white, black trim, piped white, black top boot, 4-speed, really nice crisp painted wire wheels. Very well restored car here. Chrome luggage rack, and it's for sale on our website. We're kicking off spring here with some really lovely MGBs, and this car's ready to go. It's on the button, and just in time for a spring delivery. Nice crisp color scheme, and it's for sale right now on our website, www.kurttannermotorcars.com. If you look at this car's undercarriage, you'll see how honest, nice and clean and bone dry it is, and good one not to be missed here.